Hello friends, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn a few keyboard shortcuts. And the first keyboard shortcut I'm going to show you is function key F5. Now say suppose I want to select this range here, the range from name to marks. Now how will you select? In small data, it's very simple to select with the help of mouse. Like this, you can click and select. But just you imagine if you have the rows and columns in thousands. In such cases, how will you select the entire data or range? So you have to use function key F5. Just from which column to which column you need to select the range. Just you need to make it active and just press function key F5. So when you press function key F5, here in reference, you need to enter the column name. So column name I want from B to here, B to G. So here G. So enter, just you type G and the rows till which number you want the row number. So say suppose I want the row number till 20. So just you enter 20 and press and hold shift key and click on OK. So as soon as you say OK, you can see here the entire range is selected from name B to G and till 20 row. So like this you can select the range by using the function key F5. Now the next shortcut key we are going to use is Control plus Enter. Now you can observe here in some of the cells it's blank. No marks are entered here. That means the student was absent during the exam. So here I want to enter absent, A, the letter A absent, or you can enter the complete text absent. So here just I will enter the letter A for absent. So it's little difficult to select each and every blank cell and enter the absent letter A. And so in such cases you can use the function key F5. You can first you need to select the range here, select the entire range for the marks and then use the function key F5. So when you click on function key F5, you will get go to window here. In go to window, you need to click on special. Click on special and click on blanks. Click on blanks and say OK. Click on OK. So when you say blanks, OK, see here, only the blanks cells are selected. Now here, I will just enter the letter A for one cell and just press Control plus Enter. Enter the letter A for one cell and press Control plus Enter. So you can see here, wherever the blank cells are there, the letter A got inserted in all this such cells. So this is the way you can fill the letter by using the shortcut key Control Enter. Now the next shortcut key I'm going to use is the function key F4. The function key F4 we use to repeat the same action, the same last action. So how will you use this? Say for example here I want to apply some color to this total marks. So for that I will just select the range and here I am going to apply the color for this. Say for example dark red. The same color I want to apply for this percentage also. So you don't need to choose again this color. Just use the function key F4. The same color will be applied to this percentage also. So this is the way you can repeat the last action using the function key F4. Now the next shortcut key we are going to use is Alt plus down arrow. Sometimes what happens is that we want to enter the same data, same type of data. So in such cases, you don't need to type it again. Just what you need to do is just click on the cell and press Alt down arrow, Alt plus down arrow. So when you press Alt plus down arrow, you can see here the data, whatever data already you have inserted, you will find the same data. You can choose from this whichever data you want to enter again. Just click on it, your data will be inserted again. So this is the way you can choose by using Alt plus down arrow. Now the next shortcut key we are going to use is Alt plus Backspace. Sometimes what happens is by mistake we scroll it down somewhere and again if you want to go back up, it's difficult again scrolling up and down. So in such cases just you need to press Alt plus Backspace. You will be back to your table or data wherever you have inserted the text. So this is the way you can go back by just pressing Alt plus Backspace. Alt plus Backspace. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please keep watching my videos, like, subscribe and share it. Thank you.